My dear students, I'm really overwhelmed to see the great response for this webinar, which is hosted actually by SKNC Yogurt School of Business Management. And all of you are going through a very difficult time. As you are aware that COVID-19 pandemic has put the entire world as well as our nation on a hibernate mode. What we understand by this that we are simply indoors. We are not allowed to step out, or we are supposed to take care of our own self. And to avoid the consequences, we are following it very rigorously. But this has a very severe impact on the entire system, the education system, or the management education in particular. Actually, these are the days where all the MBA students take over the summer internship program, and the students are expected to go to the industry to learn the live situations over there, and that gives an exposure about what happens in an organization. But currently, due to this situation, we have followed a different mode of understanding what we mean by this um, summer internship program. This program is actually conducted by the students, maybe online, or maybe by using the secondary data, or maybe by contacting indirectly. So this is a partial, like to comply with the syllabus that we are following this method. But students, I'm sure that each one of you are looking to what will be the next situation where if placements are not done, what are the new opportunities? And this is the reason we have selected this topic, to expand your horizons, to find new opportunities in the near future. Particularly for the MBA students, we have this in our mind, that we give guidelines, or we give a proper awareness about what next you all can do to comply with the situation and to make use of your management education. Today we have organized this webinar with two experts who are industry connected. One is Mr. Nikhil Kale, then we have Madam who is Jitnasa Bhole, and Rahul Wagsar. Actually, we will give an orientation about what are the opportunities you all can have to overcome this situation. We very well understand that the students are more or less panicked because the regular classroom teaching is not happening. Everything we are doing through online. So the exposure or the methods which we use for the classroom teaching, that is the case study method or the interactive method, or all the internal things that we generally conduct when we are having a classroom method, we are not following that method at present. But students, through the webinars, we try to give you an exposure, and from time to time we are supported by speakers or the panelists who take all the efforts, or based on their experience, they try to give you a view about what you all can do, or how you all can strengthen your opportunities, and for that purpose, how you all can strengthen your skills. I'm very much confident that this webinar will be useful to all of you, because each one of you have, each one of my panelists have prepared about what skill development are required if you really need to place yourself in the job market, or if you want to start something new, or the new opportunities that are forthcoming. There may be some opportunities which we are unforeseen, which we don't know at present, but I'm sure that all of you will be getting this exposure, or getting the knowledge, or you will get to know about them through the various discussions that will happen 1 hour after this. So students, I am really very happy to welcome all of you, and even I'm happy to welcome my faculty members who have joined this webinar. Plus, I feel that this webinar is not only to listen to what is happening over here, but you'll have to interact with the panelists, and that slot is kept for you specially, that you can interact with the panel members and you can get your doubts cleared about them. Secondly, try to implement the suggestions which are given by the panel members. Try to put them into the job. Try to seek what are the suggestions that they are giving. Take down the notes if possible, take down whatever you feel important, and that will help you to make this seminar webinar more effective. So I wish you all the best. I hand over the session to the panel members to begin with the webinar. Thank you very much.